Imagine wearing a jacket that helps you lift 50 kilos without breaking a sweat. Or glasses that translate speech in real time. Or a headset that reads your brain signals and learns what you need before you even say it. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the beginning of what experts call human-machine synergy, a new era where technology doesn't just assist us, it works with us, adapting to our movements, our thoughts, and even our intentions. Today, we're going to explore what human-machine synergy really means, how wearable robotics are changing work and health, and why Gartner calls this one of the most important technology trends shaping our future. For centuries, technology has been about tools. From the wheel to the smartphone, tools always needed one thing: human control. We pressed the buttons, we turned the gears, we gave the commands. But that relationship is changing. The next generation of machines doesn't just follow instructions, it understands context. It learns how we move and how we think, and in return, it adapts to us. That's what human-machine synergy is all about, a partnership where the line between biological and mechanical starts to blur. It's not about replacing people. It's about amplifying our abilities physically, mentally, and cognitively. Let's start with the physical side: wearable robotics, or what we often call exoskeletons. These are external frames or suits that support and enhance human movement. Originally designed for medical rehabilitation, they're now being used in factories, warehouses, and construction sites. For example, Sarcos Robotics developed the Guardian Ekso, a full-body powered exoskeleton that lets workers lift up to 90 kilograms repeatedly without strain. It's like giving someone superhuman strength, but in a safe and controlled way. Meanwhile, a German startup called Ekso Bionics created the X exoskeleton, which is already used by logistics companies like DHL and BMW. It provides back support and analyzes movement in real time, reducing fatigue and preventing injuries. And in Japan, Panasonic's Attune Model Y is used in care facilities to help nurses lift patients safely. These systems use sensors and AI that synchronize with your muscles. You move, and they assist. Instantly. Intuitively. This is synergy, your biological intelligence combined with machine precision. But this synergy isn't just about lifting heavier things. It's also about thinking smarter and reacting faster. Let's move from the body to the brain. Neurotechnology, particularly brain-computer interfaces or BCIs, is unlocking entirely new ways to connect mind and machine. Companies like Neuralink and Precision Neuroscience are experimenting with devices that read electrical signals from your brain and translate them into digital actions. Imagine controlling your computer or robotic assistant just by thinking, or restoring mobility for people with paralysis, something that's already been demonstrated. Just last year, a paralyzed man in Switzerland walked again using a wireless brain-spine interface. It translated his thoughts directly into movement commands for his legs. That's not science fiction, that's human-machine synergy in action. Right now, on the lighter side, companies like Wearable are bringing BCIs into our daily lives with EEG headsets that measure focus, fatigue, or stress. Imagine wearables that automatically adjust your work environment, dimming the lights when you're overwhelmed or playing certain music when your attention drifts. This is about machines sensing your state and adapting to enhance your performance. Now, let's talk about sensory augmentation wearables that enhance our perception. Our glasses like the Apple Vision Pro overlay digital information directly onto your field of view. A technician could see schematics over a machine while repairing it. A surgeon could view a patient's vitals mid-operation without ever looking away. And have you heard of wearable computing? It's a real and fast-growing field. Devices like AI-powered earbuds are becoming personal assistants that can whisper insights, summarize your emails, or translate conversations in real time. All these devices are moving toward one goal: making machines contextually aware. They don't just collect data, they understand what you're doing and how to help without interrupting your flow. That is the heart of human-machine synergy. So what does this look like in the workplace? Factories are already testing cobots, collaborative robots that work safely alongside humans. Unlike traditional industrial robots locked away in cages, cobots are equipped with sensors that allow them to detect human presence and slow down or stop instantly. For instance, Universal Robots builds cobots used in electronics assembly, where humans handle precision tasks while the robots handle the repetitive ones. And in healthcare, exoskeletons assist surgeons during long operations or help elderly patients regain mobility. In short, human-machine synergy is moving the workplace from automation to augmentation. The question is no longer can machines replace us, but how can machines make us better? This is where innovation is exploding. Startups are pushing the boundaries every day. In Japan, Cyberdyne's Hell exoskeleton detects faint nerve signals from your muscles and amplifies them, helping people with spinal injuries walk again. In the US, Ekso Bionics builds rehabilitation exoskeletons used in over 400 hospitals to help stroke survivors regain motion. And Humane's AI Pin is a wearable assistant that aims to replace your smartphone, projecting information onto your palm and learning from your habits. Each of these startups is exploring a different dimension of synergy movement, cognition, communication, but they all share one goal: to extend human capability. Now, let's pause for a moment. Because as exciting as this all sounds, the idea of machines thinking with us raises some tough questions. Who owns the data collected by your exosuit or your brainwave headset? How do we ensure these technologies enhance rather than exploit? And where does our privacy end when machines are literally reading our body signals? Gartner's latest tech report lists human-machine synergy alongside digital ethics for a reason. Every time we blur the line between human and machine, we create new responsibilities. The answer, according to many ethicists, lies in designing for dignity, making sure augmentation never becomes coercion. So where does this all go next? Gartner predicts that by 2030, over 30% of industrial jobs will involve some form of wearable augmentation. In healthcare, rehabilitation exosuits could become as common as wheelchairs. In our personal lives, expect the rise of everyday augmentation eyewear that blends or with health data, or smart fabrics that monitor your posture. But here's the key: for this to work, these wearables need to feel natural, not intrusive. They have to be affordable, fashionable, and secure. The ultimate test of this synergy isn't just performance, it's trust. When you think about it, this whole movement is part of a deeper human story. We've always tried to extend ourselves. The plow extended our hands. The telescope extended our eyes. The computer extended our minds. Now, we're building machines that extend our very being. The goal isn't to turn humans into robots. It's to create a future where humans are still at the center, but surrounded by tools so intelligent and responsive that it feels like we're thinking together. That's the moment when technology finally stops being something we use and becomes something you work with. As we stand on the edge of this transformation, we have to ask, are we ready to design relationships with our machines, not just interfaces? The companies that understand this balance between power and empathy, precision and purpose will shape the next era of innovation. And maybe, just maybe, the best version of AI and robotics won't compete with us. It will complete us. If you found this exploration useful, hit like and share it with someone curious about where technology is heading. I'll be diving deeper into these topics in upcoming videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop thinking about the future that's already unfolding around us.